Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essential verification. Confirm the lockbox model and ensure you have the current code, your desired new code, and a small screwdriver. Once you have those, open the box using the existing code, turn the shackle or press the release. Make sure to prop the door open so mechanisms are visible. If the box has a reset lever or recessed button, note its position. You're acting now to reach the internal change mechanism. Do not skip inspecting for a reset tab or screw. Once the interior is exposed, locate the reset lever, a small recessed button, or a removable back panel. This is the heart of reprogramming. You will need to maintain tension on the shackle or latch while you change digits, otherwise changes may not register. Move the lever to the reset position or hold the recessed button for 3-5 seconds, then enter your new code sequentially. After input, return the lever to its original spot and release tension slowly to lock the code into place. You finish by verifying the new code thoroughly. Close the lockbox and test the code at least 3 times, then open and test again to be sure. If it fails, repeat the reset procedure while keeping constant tension on the mechanism. For electronic boxes, replace batteries before retrying. Make sure to document the new code and the change date in a secure place. If the box remains unresponsive, contact the manufacturer or locksmith. Don't force components, because you could break internal parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.